Standard 11, Appendix Problem 2.6. A monkey hangs on a tree. A hunter aims a gun at the monkey and fires the bullet with velocity v0, which makes an angle theta with a horizontal direction. At the instant gun fires, monkey leaves the branch and falls straight down to escape from the bullet. Will the bullet hit the monkey or will the monkey escape the bullet? So the monkey is hanging on the tree. A man is trying to fire the monkey, but by the time he starts to firing, the monkey is leaving the branch and coming to a new position. Okay. So when the monkey drops from the branch of tree, it is undergoing a free fall. Okay. So the monkey is falling through the line. Here it is AG, this line. Now the motion of the monkey is in vertical direction. The motion of the monkey is in what? Vertical direction. Now we can find it out. What is the distance traveled by the monkey at a time t? Okay. So initial velocity of monkey is what? 0. Acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, that is g. Now the displacement at the time t is s. That is the distance traveled by the monkey. We are taking it as what? S. So we are using the formula S is equal to ut plus half g at square. So for u I am substituting 0. So ys is equal to half gt square. So what is the distance traveled by the monkey in the vertical direction? That is half gt square. So monkey has traveled a distance and it comes to a new position m. Okay. So this distance is how much? Half gt square. Now what is the vertical position of the monkey? Okay. The vertical position of the monkey at the time t. So the vertical position of the monkey at the time t. Okay. So what is the whole distance? Here it is ag. Okay. Now the position of the monkey is am. Okay. So now we have to calculate gm. We have to calculate what? Gm. Gm is the position of the monkey from the ground. Okay. So the vertical position of the monkey from the ground. So gm is equal to ag minus am. Ag minus am. We know ag is what? H. Ag is h. Am is what? Half gt square. That is the distance traveled by the monkey. And gm is your position of the monkey from the ground. That is ym. So what is ym? H minus half gt square. H minus what? Half gt square. Now, when the bullet comes out of the gun with initial velocity v0, which is thrown at an angle theta with the horizontal, the bullet is going vertical as well as what? Horizontal directions. Okay, the bullet is thrown with an angle theta with the horizontal. So the bullet undergoes what? Both horizontal and vertical direction. So we can resolve the component of velocity in horizontal direction and vertical direction. v0x is equal to v0 cos theta and velocity in vertical direction is v0y is equal to v0 sin theta. Now we can calculate the distance traveled by the bullet in horizontal direction. So what is horizontal distance? That is horizontal velocity into time. The horizontal distance I am taking here it is d. So that this bullet traveled. The distance is taken as what? D. So horizontal distance is equal to horizontal velocity into time. So what is the horizontal velocity? v0x. Horizontal distance we are taking it as d. v0s and the time taken is capital T. So what is the horizontal component of velocity? v0s is v0 cos theta. So d is equal to v0 cos theta into t. So t is equal to d by v0 cos theta. Okay. So this is the horizontal distance traveled and this is the time taken by the bullet. Now at the same time t, what is the vertical distance traveled by the bullet? What is the vertical distance traveled by the bullet? So what is the vertical velocity? Vertical velocity is v0y. Acceleration is in the upward direction. So it is minus g. Vertical distance traveled by the bullet, we are taking it as what? Yb. We are taking it as what? Yb. So we are going to use the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now first for S I have substituted as what? YB. U, it is V0Y. T is capital T minus half GT square because A is minus G. Now in the above equation I am going to substitute T is equal to D by V0 cos theta and V0Y is equal to V0 sin theta. So while substituting, what you get, YB is equal to, for here I am substituting V0 sin theta. For T I have substituted D by V0 cos theta minus half GT square. So V0 and V0 will get cancelled. So what I get, D sin theta by cos theta minus half GT square. So what I am getting, YB is equal to D tan theta minus half GT square. This is the vertical distance of the travel by the bullet. Now from the figure, now this is the position of the bullet and this is the horizontal distance and this is the height at which the monkey is hanging in the tree. Okay, from this we can write tan theta is equal to what, h by d. From this diagram we can write what, tan theta is equal to h by d. So what is h? H is equal to d tan theta. Now I am going to substitute here in this equation. So what I got, YB is equal to h minus half GT square. YB is equal to half minus half GT square. Already what is the equation I got it for the position of the monkey? The position of the monkey I got it as what, YM is equal to h minus half GT square. So this is also what, YB is equal to h minus half GT square. So comparing the position of the monkey from equation 1 with the position of the bullet from the equation 2 at the same time, we can see the position is what, same. So at time t the position is what, same. So there is a possibility of the bullet to hit the monkey. So the bullet will hit the monkey because both the positions of what, the monkey as well as the bullet are what, same. So the bullet will hit the monkey.